going to start off with some 80-20 ground beef, and we're going to cook it and season it beforehand. We're going to start off with a little bit of garlic here, and I'm not measuring this. A little bit of onion powder, some sea salt, and some pepper. Stir that around and mix that up real good. Now that it's good and brown, we're going to add a heaping teaspoon of chili powder. And we're going to mix it up and set it aside. Next, in a Dutch oven, we're going to add our onions. We're going to saute these till they're transparent, probably 5 to 7 minutes. But you can use any kind of pan you want, but it has to be able to go in the oven. Now we're going to add our seasoned ground beef and give that a good mix. Now we're going to add our Uncle Ben's rice, 1.5 cups. Just put it in there uncooked. And another heaping teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to give that a good mix. 2 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes. Another heaping teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to mix that up real good. Then we're going to put a lid on it. We're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. All right, it's been 45 minutes, and we're going to take it out of the oven. We're going to take the lid off, and we're going to put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, folks, it's time for the taste test. Now, my cousin told me she liked to put some corn niblets on the top and use Doritos as a scoop. So I'm going to do that. That's very good. I'm going to try it by itself without the Dorito. That is very good. The Doritos make a big difference, though. This calls for an ice cold IPA. That is good. Y'all give this a try. It's really good, and it's easy peasy. Well, y'all, this brings another cooking session to a close. I want to thank all of you for showing up, especially my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And I just want to say one thing in closing. Y'all don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. This is Dave the Bomb. Stay safe and healthy.